Okay, so Business Insider. So if you haven't seen the article yet, well, what skybox were you trapped in? Okay, I'll post a link in the video description. So it's good for a laugh, and check out the comments. You know, so alrighty, yeah. So like this Business Insider person thing, whatever, has come to the conclusion that Second Life has devolved into a post-apocalyptic virtual world. Craziest of all, she finds it to be the weirdest thing that people still use it. And so, yeah, so like, how did she come to this conclusion? So when she first logged in, you know, she at least learned the controls and how to fly, and flying is fun, and so she pops into a Game of Thrones roleplay sim, and she says like, hey guys, as if in-character role players will jump to the chance to reply to someone with such apparent conversational skills to open up with, hey guys. Okay, yeah, no. Okay. So hey guys not being enough, she wandered off to somehow and glitched off a cliff and thing into the sun and whatever, big sun, giant sun, whatever, and she found her way to Caledon Oxbridge. And there's some hope, you know, she could walk through the tutorial and really get a good grasp of things. She could really learn something, but did she? No. Okay, she gravitated to someone wearing a prim shoe. One prim shoe. Not mesh, not sculpt, prim. Okay, and just one. Her other foot was some foul atrocity of pointed foot something. Okay, she had one shoe on, and it was prim. Okay, this is not someone who really knows what's going on, okay? And so she claimed to be from 2004 and said the appeal back then was just meeting people. In Second Life. In 2004. Yeah, no building. Okay. So the One Shoe Wonder here drags her around to an airport and loads her into some 2005-looking prim bulb hovering thing and to fly her up in the air for a skydive. And skydive being a relative term, which means, you know, exiting the hovering prim bulb thing and rubber banding your way back to the crashing into the ground. Yeah, no. Okay, someone call Cubiterra. You know, Dumb and Dumber here need a real good, legit parachute. Okay, so the One Shoe Wonder here, after the plummet session, she goes off and goes on about how her hangouts no longer exist and people will give up on them, give up on their rent, and she keeps saying game. Really? You know, like, what level are you on? Score. Any good boss fights lately? You know, so one thing I learned, you know, when helping newcomers in Second Life is those who join expecting a game are usually bound to be sorely disappointed. You know, so after that, you know, a little beacon of light emerges, you know, One Shoe Wonder takes her to a sandbox. Building. Okay. So this is when she starts rezzing yet more 2005 humiliating prim jobs. You know, so of course the conversation goes back to how everything's about clubs and how everyone wants to be the best dancer and just why can't ignorance be painful, you know, in some way. And so they dance and they watch people dance and then they dance and then they share a tidbit about getting married and then they dance and really no. And so I put a comment, and as I said in comments, you know, my offer stands. Find me when I ain't busy. Follow me around for an hour. I'll show you a very different, if not slightly creepier, Second Life. But for now, I dance.